Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for tech gadgets and accessories business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free so you can get started free. So let's get started. Okay, now it will take you to the dashboard. As you see here, this is the dashboard, and here where you're gonna set up your website and storefronts. Okay, so as you see, to set up your website and storefront, click here. It will take you to the editor page. So here where you're gonna customize and design your site. So go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates which you want to use here. So for the tech gadgets, I think it might be here on this template list. um, okay, I think I'm gonna choose this one here. And if you don't find the topic, you can just choose a random one and design it on your home page. So for example, this one here, you have to change the cover and the headline, everything in the cover and the headline. So you have to change your company name. So you have to add here your company name, for example, tech hub. Okay, wait. Like this. After this, you have to change the navigation menu, so you have to delete all this and add your menu items. If you wanna edit the design, so the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, also the color, and also you can add the frame outline, the background. So that's it. The simple details, it's more important to make your site looks attractive. Now let's move on to the next section. So the same thing here, you have to change the tagline and change the title and then attractive description that match the title. So for example, you can type here, welcome to introduce to your customers, welcome to our site, welcome to our site for tech gadgets and accessories. Okay, just like this, simply like this. Of course you can change it if you want. This is just for example. So in the image here, you have to change it from your library or from the browser. So for example, you can search on tech gadgets and accessories like this. Okay, so I need just a simple like this one here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. You have to change the title, so whatever you want to type here. So this is your, depends on your business. Now let's move on to the design. So the same thing here, you have just to change the size of the description. Okay, the size and also the font, so you can choose your favorite font, and also the color in the background, you can change it. Okay, that's it. Let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. So as you see here, it depends on your product and on your business, so you can keep this product here, product image here. You can change the title if you want, and the description here you have to change it. Okay, that's it. And the design also shows your favorite design. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal, so you can change all this, the description and the subtitle and the title. You have to change this image here, depends on your product, headphones or whatever accessories. Now let's move on to the next section, to this section here. Of course you have to change this one, and you have to change the image here. Okay, and the design, you can choose your favorite layouts. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store section. So here you have to create your product, so go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Okay, so now click on new product, and here you can add the product gallery. You have to add your product gallery, take a picture of your product and add it here, the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram. Also you can customize the prices options here, and don't forget the description of your product. So that's it. Now let's go back. After you're done from this place here, just save this place and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and the product name, the product image and the product price. So let's move on now to the next section. Okay, so nothing special here, the same thing as normal, so you have to change everything. Okay, you have to change the image. So this is depends on your products, your business. Okay, okay, I'm gonna choose just a random one. um, okay, okay, I'm gonna choose this one here. The design, you can choose your favorite layout. Okay, just the same thing as normal. You can change the title, the color and the background. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the next section. Nothing special here, the same thing as normal, so you have to change this description here. You can talk about your story, about yourself and what makes you start your business, and your typography, or why should your customers buy from you or use your services. So you can talk here about your experiences. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the customer care section. So also here you have to change everything here. So that's it, depends on your business and your product. Now let's move on to the next section, the contacts. You can use this description here. We are always happy to see you. You have to add your business address. Okay, enter your exact postal address or plus code. Also you have to enter here the daily hours of your work, enter the contact information and the social profiles. The design, choose your favorite one. So I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. Okay, you can choose whatever you like. This is just I found it attractive. Now let's move on to the last section. So here you have just to enter your company name. For the copyright, okay, wait, That's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. After you're done, you can just publish your website. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.